Welcome to Discovery Preschool, where kiddos are discovering, exploring, and having fun. In our centers, preschoolers are getting creative, expressing themselves, experimenting with language and literacy, and practicing a wide range of motor skills. Hands-on classroom activities help with planning and decision-making, as well as social and emotional development.
You're going to look in your mirror, and you're going to draw yourself onto paper.
We're really expressing ourselves in our Discovery Preschool classrooms. In our centers, preschoolers are experimenting with visual art expression by creating self-portraits. This hands-on activity helps with social and emotional development. They are becoming aware of similar or different traits of their friends and asking questions like, why does he have black hair and I have yellow hair?
Do you see the orca whale? Right here. Do you see it, Bella?
Things are getting squishy in our Discovery Preschool classrooms. In our centers, our preschoolers are investigating fishy bags and exploring what happens when they gently touch them. This hands-on activity encourages curiosity and sparks conversations about the way the fish feel in the bags of gelatin.
Did you find the octopus? Yeah.
It also helps with cognitive development and language and literacy development. We're getting creative in our Discovery Preschool classrooms. Here, preschoolers are making two-dimensional sense. This hands-on activity is great for creative expression while helping with physical development and language and literacy development. Practicing their fine motor skills by tearing paper, using glue, they're also working on naming the shapes. Our Discovery Preschool classrooms are learning about what makes our community so great. In our centers, our preschoolers are making maps of our neighborhood. This activity is great for their language and literacy development, plus their communication skills and impulse control. They have to wait to take turns, then they're using words and gestures to share their ideas or ask questions about the community picture. Remember, every child is unique, with their own interests and personality, and every child grows at their own pace in their own way, and that's what makes your child special.